day here with Ryan. Ryan's finding his gun. Well guys, back here with another video. We're out here at this creek. We're gonna be doing some urban creek fishing. I mean, you can tell it's urban. There's houses all over this. We're gonna be using some little jig heads, micro. We're gonna be throwing some worms around. We're gonna try to catch a big catfish at the end. Let's get it. Hey guys, I'm gonna be starting with this micro little jig. Trey's gonna be throwing a cricket and some worms first. So I'm gonna start with this little jig head. Let's get this started. Trey's getting a new worm. I got this. See if we can get the first fish of the day. Oh my God, you got one. Trey got one. First one of the day. Well, that one's tiny, dude.
That is tiny, bro.
Look at this guy. That guy's tiny.
I think this may be the smallest fish I've ever caught.
On a new grub, Trey just caught one off camera. It was another little tiny one. We're about to make a move if we keep catching a lot of tiny ones. We want to get some big ones. Oh, Trey got another one. I was stuck in the tree. Trey's slaying him on the worm today.
Bigger one.
Oh yeah, that's a way bigger one. Oh, double up. Oh, this may be the tiniest one of the day.
No, I think mine was smaller.
Hold on.
That dude.
Look at this guy, tiny. Pretty much the bait's bigger than him. Look at that. Comparison, bro. Wow, scared this on guy. Okay, guys, this is what we're working with right now. We just moved down the creek some. We're gonna be fishing this pluck right here, then we'll start fishing some of this. There's a big hole down there. Oh, here's some right here. Caught one in this pool this morning. Oh yeah, big. Still tiny, but you know, creek fish ain't alright. Got him. Look at that guy. Scare these. This morning, this was all real black and murky water. Oh yeah, that's a better one. Look at this guy. If I can get the hook out this guy. Got it. This is the biggest one of the day for me. Well, for this trip. I went bass fishing this morning. Secure this on this guy. There's one. Another little guy. This guy was barely hooked. Shoot this on this guy.
Did you grab that? When you're dropping right down, didn't you?
Yeah. Trey got one.
Where's bluegill today? Everything else was doing something.
Yeah. Put on a worm on a jig head, see if I can catch one in here. They're not hitting the other one that good.
What do you want for that?
Got one. There's a bluegill. Dang, that's a good one.
What do you want for that?
Throw it in the middle. I'd reel it in some.
Dude, that's really crazy.
Got the hook out finally, scares. I put a worm on this time. See if we can get better bite. Oh, almost.
There was actually a fish on that last one. That's the crawdad.
No. Oh yeah. That's a better. Oh, that's a better bluegill there. Fish bump. Bro just caught a massive crawdad. God. That's eating size. There we go. Little bluegill. On the worm. Okay. Got a pretty sunfish get released on Sky. I just caught a huge green sunfish get released on Sky.
It has 2 pounds. What'd you do with it?
There we go.
I just kept it. I'm trying to put it
Oh, quick release. Gotta cross the road. Oh. Let's go. We're working with now, guys. Double up on cats. Double up on cats. Oh, get out of the tree, bro.
Yes, sir.
I gotta go down there and get him out of the tree. I gotta get the catfish out, guys. Trey, you're gonna catch so many perch.
Bro, you know fires? Oh, Lane, grab my bait while you're down there. No, Lane, grab it.
I gotta get the catfish
You
out.
don't got water. It's not in the water.
There we go, guys.
You not see it? Yeah, I don't see it. It's wrapped around that log. You can get in there, grab it.
Little cat.
There's like 3 bass.
Look at that. Look at all these guys. Oh, crap. Now you're good.
Oh, I hurt my leg.
Cat, scarily sun Sky.
Got it?
Double.
Toss it up.
Got a bass.
Oh, baby.
Let's go. Micro baby bass. Let's go. Guys, this is how you know we're in the town. Look at all this. It's straight city. A nice little bass. Okay, that was a bad throw. Oh yeah, that's a cat. Oh God. There's another cat. Oh, a little small. Alright guys, I just caught this sunfish, sort of perch, bluegill thing off camera. Scared the sun Sky. I got one, guys. Oh yeah. Oh. Dang, this is a big one. We've caught 3 catfish today so far. Huh? No. Look. Big old perch.
Alright, out here at this little creek down here, got a nice, maybe 2-ounce bass. Yeah. Nice little catch. We're keeping catfish over here. I really like it. It's right under that rock.
Better catch a fish off the bridge right here. Oh yeah. Look at that guy. Off the bridge.
Where'd you set the catfish?
Oh, back there. Look at that guy. Off the bridge. Okay, we don't have any more worms. We're gonna use crappie jig. I caught him earlier on it. Let's see if we can get a big one to eat. Got him. Not a giant, but I mean, we are fishing creeks, so it's a fish. And again, we're just fishing right off this bridge here. Catching.
Alrighty guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We ended on this nice fish right here. We're at just under 700 subscribers right now. We're going to try to get to 1,000. At 1,000 subscribers, we're going to have a giveaway of a jig and some other lures. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.